Today I'm presenting our inventory management system designed to replace manual stock tracking with a fast digital real-time solution. In this, me and my team building a real-time, meanwhile, use sockets, web sockets to connect with real-time activities and track all them and update all this process in real time and replace that with an old inventory system. Now, the problem main is most warehouses still uses a Excel sheet to manage that things after also and registers, which leads to errors or delays something many times we see and zero visibility to other things. Okay, so now we make our goal is simple: centralize inventory, automate stock update, and allow real-time monitoring. So from one platform. So this is our whole solution. Our key features is dashboard with live KPIs, product management, incoming receipts, delivery orders, internal transfers, stock adjustment, move history logging, and role-based access for a inventory manager. Meanwhile, we call as admin also and staff. Okay, because staff is also empty. Staff can see the product. Staff can manage. Then in background you can see our README. In that our all process, all feature mentioned. This is our architecture. How we can architect this. In front end we use React plus Redux toolkit plus Tailwind CSS and TypeScript so that you can be a Redux toolkit because in that have so many state which is updated by globally, so we can use Redux. And in a backend we use Node plus Express and database use MongoDB because in that have so many document structures. So for that easy and for a fast development and MV version we use MongoDB. We can You can see all that things in this and also socket.io in backend and socket.client in front end. Now we go to the website. This is our first website landing page. We can explain ourselves like a smart inventory management part with live WebSockets. Our all main features and powerful features are listed there. After that, you just go to the login page and only sign up inventory manager. Why? Because who is inventory manager that create them staff and all that thing. So only inventory manager will sign up now. I can now sign in. Okay, this have a we give a two credential that is currently working. Okay, so you can log in with that. This is basically manager. Okay, so we can see that load data. Now this is a dashboard of a manager. You can see our low stock alert. Meanwhile, laptop stand and safety elements are in a low stock. Please fill that. And recent stock like steel rods are now added that we have a two notification like that. And we see in dashboard total products, low stock items, out of stock items, pending and all that things in this. After that, we make some products like that. Like we add one product name test. That SKU is test 002, category is test, and our production floor location is no pieces. Okay, we count in pieces. Current stock is 200, minimum stock require 50, and max stock 1000. Cost per unit is our 500. Description no, currently no, and create it. We can see now test is created there, and also we search by SKU product, like we search a SFT. So SFT SKU automatically search and all get. And we also categories. Okay, we create some categories there. After that receipts, we can create a receipts there, and this is a process button. Meanwhile, we when we want to done this, let's we only click and you see receipt process successfully, stock has been updated. Okay, so that is real time updatation. If we want to create a new receipt, so we use test receive supply is test uh refreshment test slash 002. Date is current, and from production floor product is like we make a test product, that is product counted 200 and product cost 500. Okay, so that can create a receipt, and you can see receipt is perfectly great and currently in draft. After that you can make waiting. These are going into empty waiting, and when you want to done, that is done. After the delivery order, you can see that 500 items are now added in this delivery order. We when we add this receipts, that is waiting. Okay, so that in waiting is also okay. Now we can see as a receipt, and if our test is 002, now we can end up this. Okay, so that task is done. We can see like that. We have an inventory management. So many sometimes, uh, many times, not sometimes. we are counting something, but there are error in counting, so we can adjust that product. Like we have added now Chappal. Chappal have a 210 stock, but we have currently 500 stock. Okay, so that is an main warehouse. And location currently we give other things, and counting error we can say and explain nothing. Okay, and like that in lifetimes that is updated all okay, all things like total 290. After that move history, that is we all move that things like a quantity or something still or sort are listed there. After that setting, we have settings to like an if you add a new warehouse in your inventory, you can just edit warehouse and automatically fetch all data. And if we uh, want to set a system default like pcs, kilogram, liter, meter, you can also set by them. Also, if you want to change a currency, you can change by them. Low alert stock. Meanwhile, if any item goes behind 10, uh, that is now currently we give a sort meta alert. After that, date format. This is date format. After the staff management, you can create staff there, and also you give active inactive. If you set inactive staff, that is not currently working. Now I give active this staff and unactive this staff. Okay, and this is all feature, and also you can add staff. Uh, that is if you want many staff or add another staff or remove also. So you can that. And after that, we can see our staff dashboard. We can see just here, and we can see in staff dashboard that are a new something is my pending task. Meanwhile, any of task that is created by inventory management, that is basically shown there. After that, we have product which and only that staff is only can visited this, not can be changes or any much of things in this. So you can also better filter wise and see that product in stock, low stock, in stock, out of stock, any of that things in this. After that, receipts, if any receipts by process is done, like this receipt RC002 is now waiting, but by this staff that call are done. So you can just and receive is done now in lifetime. That is perfectly feature working with done. Now delivery order, like same delivery order, if you want to done this, you can done by them and skip it. Inventory adjustment is just watched by stock staff, because that is not a we give access to change it, because that is only changed by inventory manager. And move history, we can see same as move history, only see by that, and so that can search by SQ and all that. So so this is our whole site, and thank you for watching.